state-of-the-art medical facilities. Iyan ang inaasahang maitatag sa oras na matapos ang konstruksyon at pagbukas na ang PRI Medical Arts Center o PRIMAC Incorporated. Idinaos ang topping-off ceremony ng Premier Healthcare and Lifestyle Destination sa Angeles City, Miyerkules, October 16.
This topping-off event signifies the opening of the new structure here in Barangay Pampang, Arayat Boulevard. This is an expansion project of PRI Medical Center, which will comprise of new diagnostic services, additional doctors' clinics, and commercial buildings for lease, and spaces for lease, and actually wellness and lifestyle centers for the public.
Ito ay mayroong 9-story medical arts tower, a 3-story commercial wellness and lifestyle complex. Isa rin sa vision nito ay ang masiguro ang universal access para sa dekalidad at abot kayang serbisyong pangkalusugan.
This expansion project is actually part of the business strategy of PRI Medical Center of welcoming more patients and accommodating to more classes in Angeles City. And we envision this to target not just Angeles City but also to cater to the whole of Central Luzon. And we want to provide quality healthcare not just to Angeleños but also to the whole of Central Luzon and eventually to the whole country.
Isusulong din umano ng PRIMAC ang isang sustainable approach sa patient care.
Significantly, we want to emphasize on the new MRI that we will have here in the facility. It's a helium-free machine, which is less hazardous to the public. And also, this whole complex is currently undergoing LEED certification, which means leader in energy and environmental design, which is recommended by our architect Joe Shaoling. And this promotes sustainability and lessens the waste and carbon emissions of the facility.
Samantala, bukod sa healthcare, layon din ng PRIMAC Incorporated na makapagbigay ng trabaho sa ating mga kababayan.
We are looking at targeting to generate about 5,000 to 6,000 jobs, not just for healthcare workers, but also to non-healthcare workers. And then this is actually just phase 2 of the project. We have a phase 3 which will launch by 2027. That would be the university, and wherein we will offer new education which will focus on a new medical school here in Pampanga.
Inaasahan ang pagbubukas ng commercial hub ng PRIMAC sa February 2025, habang June ng parehong taon naman sa Medical Arts Tower at Additional Diagnostics. Liana Canilaw, CLTV36 News.